Introducing the Sparkflows Quality Assurance Agent, a smarter way to generate and manage test cases. This powerful QA agent works with all kinds of requirement documents, whether it's a business requirement document or a functional specification document, turning them into actionable test cases. You just upload your document and the agent instantly generates structured test cases. Add context such as user stories or acceptance criteria to enrich them, all in one seamless step. Each generated test case is complete with ID, description, preconditions, steps, expected results, and even Selenium scripts for automation. You can also track your coverage in real time and see exactly how every requirement maps to its test cases. Moreover, Sparkflows enables reviewing related workflows, allowing QA teams to validate, edit, and approve cases before execution, ensuring quality at every step. With the Sparkflows QA agent, testing becomes faster, smarter, and more reliable. Get started today. Thank you for watching this video.